Yo, I want
you saying be down there, K?
Alright, as a matter of fact, it's enough for two.
Alright, show cause we ain't already know.
I'm just watching everybody.
Yeah. You got that phone, Marley? Get the fuck
I swear I can't.
Hey, yo. Yo, Big, tell Justin to get up in there.
I don't know. Because you in the car, I'll tell you this shit. I would have sent something first of all. You know I don't. I would have sent something. You know how
I feel about it.
No, not anymore. Really don't.
I'm like,
G-level, secondary nigga now.
No frill.
I'm G-level. Who say my shit?
It's been bugging.
Shit face, you want me to go?
Shit, baby. Alright, it ain't sweet like that. I know you think like that. Damn, we spam people up in this place. Some fucking kid.
Dopest track on the album. Better know it.
Fuck you, you fat fuck!
I'm on New Year's.
Yeah, you guys come down. That's in North.
You gonna come down for that shit?
That's in North. All the rough.
You got no number, G?
Hell yeah.
I got Vinny. Vinny good. My nigga. My nigga.
One you gotta do is vocals.
That's right. No, chill. That's straight.
Disrespecting.
So I'm talking about this track is gonna be stupid. I'm saying, I know he about to run my shit. I'm gonna just bust for shit. What you got? Fuck. Oh, snake. You a snake underneath? He a snake in real life. That's that V shit, kid. Yeah, he a snake in real life, girl. Fuck with that nigga. That shit coming through in reality. That's that old V shit, man. Just it is. That's Fish though. Rats. The nigga name was Fish though. That's my man. Fish man. Pass that shit down, man.
Your friend.
Get right for that.
Right, Biggie, baby. Cut the weed. Searching for the amplifier.
This is gonna flow loud.
No, I don't want that. I'm talking about the
Motherfucking right. I rolled your weed. The weed that's your weed.
Oh, yeah?
That's what I showed New Year's. Yo, fuck it, that's his weed. You definitely gonna sign up for that.
I got work New Year's, dog.
Yeah, do that.
Let's hurry up, because I want to hear this bad.
Show him, amped. Alright.
No quarters.
That nigga had to get amped up.